Right, exciting times. So I wanted to share an update on, I don't even know what I'm going to call this one, but it's my Miata ND2. It has a flavor of ODB2 reading, as well as, if you're familiar with my NeoStrip rear LED sequential lights, at least the version I did for my car, it's really bringing all that stuff together into a single control unit that'll mount. Intent is to mount it in the vent to the right side of the steering wheel. So anyway, wanted to show you progress. So I originally started, God, way back in probably June with this monstrous piece of wiring mess. Separate ESP32 with the 2.1 IPS display and just a mess of wires, and I was gonna have to figure out how to get all that in here. And then waited long enough, this came along from LilyGo. I'll put a link down below with information, but this is what they call the TRGB, which is basically this all-in-one, an all-in-one display, which has basically an ESP32 S3 on board built in. It's got a battery connector, it's got SD card, which I've yet to get working. I've been trying for hours trying to get that working, and as well as a Groove port. I'm not exactly sure what else I'm going to use to hook into this, but right now what I've got working, I'm going to show really quickly demo, but spending a lot of time on this. But basically I've got connectivity to a V-Gate iCar Pro ODB2 reader. This guy is actually the Wi-Fi version, and there's a backstory here. I was going to do Bluetooth, but if you have an ESP32, you can't use this display. You need a higher power ESP32. The ESP32 S3 can handle that in terms of the pins available. There's actually pin expansion on this board as well. But the key is you can't use classic Bluetooth serial to connect to these guys. So I've got a Wi-Fi version, and I'm going to be using Elmduino, which can also connect via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, but I'm going to use the Wi-Fi connection to this. I've already validated that works. Can't show you that here yet because I've got a lot of work to do there, but anyway, that's that. We just wanted to really get a demo of how amazing this guy is. But the intent is going to be that this guy will be seated in here inside that vent unit. Anyway, so without further ado, let's get an idea, give you an idea of what this thing's going to look like. Powers up. Let's get that powered up properly. Showing an animation of my logo. And then, I figured out my screens, but just wanted to load some images and whatnot. So I've got basic touch control working, so I'm likely going to build some functionality to, swipe functionality up, down, left, right, between probably ODB2, various screens, and the NeoStrip screens to select the different sequences. But just showing down here in the blue, you'll see it render the state of the swipe up, down, right, left. So seems quite primitive, but it's been a crap load of time and coding to try to get these things working, because the samples provided by the manufacturer, many of them didn't work, and had to do some digging to try to get things to work. So anyway, that's where it's at so far. Lots of work to do, but again, that is the intent, and that is to be thrown into this guy here on my ND2. Let's see how it goes. Stay tuned. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to get updates on the progress of this sucker. Thanks for watching. Ciao.